National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wayne County, south central Pulaski County, northeastern McCreary County, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kidder, Oregon, 10 miles south of Somerset, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near General Burnside State Park around 11 p.m. Takeville around 11:05 p.m. Alpine around 11:10 p.m. Greenwood around 11:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Honeybee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: McCreary, Pulaski, and Wayne.